Hello Kizomba World, if you are new to this channel, we are Armand
and Lavinia,
and today we are going to learn a combo with elements that we learned so far, okay? But first the intro.
in order to do today's combo, you have to know the basic elements like basic 1, basic 2, basic 3 and how to walk. If you don't know any of these, you can check them in the link up there and then come back here and everything is going to be okay.
5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it together in partner work. We start with basic 1, but only 4 counts, like 1, 2, 3 and stop. Okay, from here I'm going to still do the basic 1, but I rotate a little bit to my right. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and stop. For the leader, what you should do, on every step try to rotate a little bit your upper body towards my right part, okay? And in the same time try to step a little bit with your left foot to this side, to the side, okay? Like 1, 2, 3 and now I move it. 5, 6, 7 and I move it. 1, 2, 3 and 4.
It's the same thing for the ladies, but try not to think about doing the steps by yourself. Try to connect to the body of your partner and do it the same as he does it.
Let's do it again. And 1, 2, 3, I rotate. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and stop. Okay, from here we're gonna do a basic 2, okay? I'm going to the side. 5, 6, 7, 8.
And we stop.
And we stop. From here I'm going back 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. On 5 I do the marca. 5. And from here a basic 3. 6, 7, 8. From here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 basic 3. 6, 7 and. One more time from the beginning and after that we add the last part. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Basic 2, 5, 6, go back. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, basic 3, 7, stop. From here I'm going forward. Same 4 step. 1, 2, 3, 4, marca 5 and again basic 3. 6, 7, 8.
You saw that now we walked more than 2 steps like we initially learned, okay? In Kizomba you can walk as many steps as you want, yeah? And in order to practice it, you can walk like the whole house and then stop, okay?
2 tips now for the leader. The first one, try to be decided when you want to do a step or a move. For example, if I do the basic 2 here and I want to go back, I'm deciding to go back before I do the move. Okay, not I do the mark and I need to go back. And the second one, try to not stop, okay? Do a basic 2 or again basic 1 and when do you remember it, try to do it again. But don't stop. Try to dance.
And for the ladies, it's very important to not think about the combination. My job is to follow my leader and that's it. If he doesn't remember it, as Armand said, there is no problem. I just try to go with his body and follow his intention.
5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed our video of today, please comment, subscribe, like.
Thank you and see you next time.